केयर बिकॉज काफी सामान आ गया है नया और कई चीजें स्टैटिक हैं जो कि बेस्ट है. इट वर्क्स रियली ग्रेट फॉर माई स्किन. आई लव द प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो. तो वो तीसरा जो बर्थडे हॉल में थोड़ा बहुत सामान देखा था स्किन केयर का, वो सब यूज होने वाला है. ओके, सो वी बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट स्टेप. तो पहली चीज मैं लगाती हूँ वो है क्लेंजिंग फेस वॉश. एलोवेरा का है एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम नेचर. तो ये बहुत माइल्ड है. दिस यू कैन यूज इट एवरी डे बिकॉज अगर बहुत हार्श वाला यूज करना है दैट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर स्किन, व्हाट योर स्किन रियली नीड्स. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट स्टेप. थोड़ा सा गीला कर लो फेस. वॉश. सेकेंड स्टेप स्टैटिक. ये स्क्रब मैं इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. हल्का सा I'm gonna wet my face. I really need to buy a lip scrub. Good one. Please tell me which one should I buy. अभी मैं इसी को ही लगा रही हूँ. I'm not able to find that perfect one. But please let me know. जो tried and tested है. मैंने ये बर्थडे हॉल में दिखाया था. It is so good. So it comes along with all the brushes and everything. I'm going to put the photo here. So I'm using the one, not the cleansing one which is mild, but the one which is used for the scrub. Trust me, I've used it. It is so good. और मैं लिंक डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में for the discount. Now comes the pumic stone. These products, the brush as well as the stone, it actually lifts your skin. It has a huge impact onto the skin. This is best for exfoliation, best. Okay, quickly we'll wash it. I am going to use another part of scrubbing, but only onto my nose area. This is the one, and this one is quite harsh, quite strong. So use little by little and only onto the affected area, like for your blackheads and stuff. And don't keep it for a really long time because as you apply it, you'll see it will start affecting your eyes because the product is really strong. And also, if you keep it for a really long time onto your face, the area where you've applied it will go red. So just scrub like for a minute or so. And that is what is also mentioned on the tube. Wash it. Let me just look at the skin. It looks so fresh. So good. It actually looks very tight right now. And very nice. So the whole process looks very long and very tiring. Especially for those people who don't like to do skincare. Or who think, itna products ka hum kya kare. But trust me, you'll love it. You'll love the after effects. And all in all, it hardly takes 15 to 20 minutes, keeping the mask step aside because that's little. But then mask it and you can go watch something or do your work or whatever, right? This is the one that I will apply. This one is really good for the pose. So whatever pose you see right now, I don't know if you can see it or not. So after I apply this, I see an instant effect. Instant. Because मैंने कोई ऐसा मास्क देखा नहीं था जो immediately pores को कर दे finish. This one is strong too, very strong. This product. Actual में बहुत cooling effect आएगा जैसे ही लगाओगे. And the layer should not be like really thick. और ज़्यादा पतली भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. जितनी required है उतनी. Again, ये product भी आंखों में लगेगा. Okay, I'm done. Now I will see you one. This is fully dry. The back of the packaging says 20 to 30 minutes and that is how much it takes. But पूरी तरह से dry हो जाएगा, it will peel off. So I will see you then. Okay, I'm back. मुंह बहुत ज़्यादा tight हो गया है, मैं बात भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Let's remove it. बहुत unpleasantly उतरेगा थोड़ी जगह से. Now I'm gonna just wash it. Okay, done. All clean and nice. The next step. So I will apply the toner. This is the one that I use and it is so good. Now wait, maybe like for a minute. Dry ho jaye. Okay. Next would be eye serum. This is from Ordinary. And whatever are the leftovers for the eye serum, I apply it onto my neck. Never forget your neck. Last but not the least comes the moisturizing cream. So it comes along with this spatula. I'm just going to use my fingers. Now, the last most step would be to apply the sleeping mask. Because I'm going off to bed, so this is the one, as it says, I have to apply it before I go to bed, or if it's subah I have to remove it, like just wipe it. This is good as per the application. I don't know what the results would be. Okay, now this one product for my lips that I totally swear by is again from Laneige. This is a lip balm. You have seen me talking about this in all my skincare videos for the lips. Okay, so we are pretty much done. I've applied the lip sleeping mask. अब मैं लगी हूँ सोने और हो गया है skincare end. And मुझे बताओ अगर मैं if you want me to do like more of makeup and skincare videos, then I'll do it. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Also follow me on Instagram because वहाँ पे मैं photos डालती रहती हूँ. Also मैंने अलग अलग highlights बनाए हुए हैं as per interest of different people. जिसको जो पसंद है उस हिसाब से. Those are very interesting to watch. Okay, bye.